Let's learn how to make this crochet hook basket with darn good yarn. First, make a magic circle, then chain 1 and do 5 single crochets inside that magic circle. Join to the first stitch with a slip stitch. For round 2, you're going to chain 1 and do 2 single crochets in each stitch all the way around. Then join to the first stitch with a slip stitch. For row 3, do 2 single crochets in one stitch and 1 single crochet in another stitch all the way around. Row 4, 2 single crochets in one stitch and 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. For row 5, 2 single crochets in one stitch and 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches all the way around. Starting in row 6, do 1 single crochet in the back loop only all the way around. You should have 25 stitches. Continue in this way until you have 17 rows. As you can see, we're already starting to make a basket, and there's a fun texture on the side. After 17 rounds, slip stitch the first stitch in that round. Then chain 1 and turn. Make a bobble in the first stitch. Yarn over and insert your hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Keep doing that until you have 6 loops on your hook. I like to think of it as doing 5 partial double crochets. I am using Darn Good Yarn's Renaissance Bloom Cotton Blend yarn, bulky, and it is working out perfect for this basket. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Do a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. You see how nice that looks as it's sticking out as a bobble? Keep going around, 1 bobble to 4 single crochets. You'll have 5 bobbles at the end. Fasten off. I added a small tomato soup can to make it sturdier. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Get 15% off Darn Good Yarn using Juniper and Oaks 15.